Hi guys, for this video, we will talk about how to multiply and divide given fractions. So, kung matatandaan nyo, magkaiba yung video natin regarding addition and subtraction of similar at yung addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. So, in terms of multiplication and division, regardless na po. So, wala na pong kinalaman kung similar or dissimilar fraction siya. So, applicable na po siya for both. So, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button and kindly like this video na. So, basahin natin. Sabi, to multiply or for multiplication, step 1 daw. Multiply the numerator by the other numerator. Step 2, multiply the denominator by the other denominator. Okay? So, to divide naman daw, step 1, convert daw the divisor into its reciprocal. And then step 2, follow steps 1 and 2 of how to multiply. Follow steps 1 and 2 on how to multiply fractions. Okay? So, babalik daw tayo sa multiplication. Okay? So, let's try to solve number 1. Number 1. We have 1/3 times 1/4. Ang sabi, multiply the numerator by the other numerator. So, ano ba numerator natin? Itong 1 at itong 1 din. So, multiply daw yan. 1 times 1 is 1. And then, step 2, multiply the denominator by the other denominator din daw. Okay? So, 3. Ito yung dalawang denominator natin. So, 3 times 4. Okay? 3 times 4 is 12. So, we have 1, 12 for number 1. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? Number 2. 1/4 times 2/3. Again, numerator to numerator. 1 times 2 is 2. Denominator to denominator. 4 times 3 is 12. So, hindi pa siya lowest term. Meron siyang GCF na 2. So, for finding GCF, meron tayong detailed video dyan. Separate detailed video. Pakipanood na lang po. So, GCF for 2 and 12 is 2. So, lowest term natin dyan, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, we have 1, 6. Number 3. Okay? So, number 3, we have 2/3 times 3, 7. Okay? 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. So again, hindi pa yung lowest term. Meron siya GCF na 3. Lowest term will be 2, 7. Okay, so number 4, division naman. So, lagay natin dito si number 4. Division. So, 4 over 9 divided by 1/3. Okay? So, sabi, how to divide? Basahin natin. Step 1, convert the divisor into its reciprocal. So, recall lang, ano yung divisor? So, siya yung panghati natin. So, for this given, ito yung divisor. always yung pangalawa. Or kung ganito yung format, halimbawa meron kang 5 divided by 2, ito yung divisor. So kung ganito naman pagkakasulat niya, so 5 divided by 2, ito naman yung divisor. Okay? So malinaw tayo sa divisor. So divisor for number 4 is 1/3. Okay? So ano ba yung reciprocal? Ang reciprocal is simply, babaliktarin mo lang. So yung numerator gagawin mong denominator, yung denominator gagawin mong numerator. So we have 1/3. So reciprocal niya ay, ito gagawin numerator, ito gagawin denominator. So 3/1. Okay? So nagets nyo? Actually, this is equal to 3. Now, step 2 raw. Follow steps 1 and 2 of how to multiply fraction. So, rewrite natin si number 4. So, we have 4/9. So, ano na daw? Step 2, follow steps on how to multiply fraction. So, instead na division na tayo, magiging multiplication na tayo. Mangyayari niyan, 4/9 times 3/1. So, ganyan na siya. Mawawala na tong division na to. Mako-convert siya into multiplication. Okay? So, perform natin. Katulad ng nasa itaas. Numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So, 4 times 3 is 12. 9 times 1 is 9. So, we have an improper fraction. Okay? Kasi mas malaki yung yung numerator. So, now, lowest term yan, meron silang GCF na 3. So, 12 divided by 3 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, we have 4/3. Improper siya. Okay? So, ito sa number 4. And then, number 5. Okay? So, 2/3 divided by 1/2 equals 2/3. Anong divisor natin? Si 1/2. So, 2, magiging multiplication na siya. So, 2. Okay? 2/1 na siya. And then, perform natin multiplication. So, 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. So, we also have 4/3. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple. Number 6. 5/6 divided by 2/9. Okay? So, divisor natin ay si 2/9. So, 5/6 multiplied by 9/2. So, we have 5 times 9 is 45. And then 6 times 2 is 12. Again, hindi mo ito lowest term. Meron sila GCF na 3. 3. So, we have 45 divided by 3 is 15. So, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, we have also a improper fraction. An improper fraction. Okay? Number 7. 23/25 divided by 2/5. So again, 23/25. Divisor natin ay si 2/5. So multiply natin siya into 5/2. Binaliktad niya, reciprocal. Okay, so 23 times 5 is is 115. And then 25 times 2 is 50. So meron siyang GCF na 5. So we have 23 over 10. Okay? Number 8. 10 over 11 divided by 1/3 is equal to 10 over 11 times 3 over 1 is equal to 30 over 11. So, improper fraction siya. Okay? So, magagawa rin tayo separate video na on how to convert improper fraction into mixed number. So, this time, improper fraction muna ang ating mga final answer. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo. So, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button. And thank you.